Is there a way to reactivate a deactivated Facebook account?
Hello viewers, today, we're going to tackle a common question that many Facebook users have. Is there a way to reactivate a deactivated Facebook account? The simple answer is, yes, you can. Deactivating a Facebook account is not a permanent action, and you can reactivate your account whenever you wish. Let's dive into the step-by-step process.
What's the difference between deactivation and deletion?
Before we jump into the steps to reactivate your account, it's important to understand the difference between deactivation and deletion. Deactivation is a temporary action that allows you to hide your profile and come back to it at any time. On the other hand, deletion is permanent, and you cannot recover your account once it's deleted. Today, we're focusing on reactivation, so if you've only deactivated your account, you're in the right place.
Reactivating your Facebook account.
Reactivating your account is easy and straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Visit the Facebook website or open the Facebook app. Reactivating your account can be done on any platform, whether it's your mobile app or desktop browser. 2. Enter your login details. This includes the email or phone number and password associated with your deactivated account. If you have forgotten your password, you can select the Forgotten Password option. 3. Click Login. Once you've filled in your login details, simply click the Login button. Your account will be reactivated instantly, and you'll be able to browse Facebook as usual. Remember, you can reactivate your account anytime you want, as long as it has been only deactivated, not deleted.
What if I can't reactivate my account?
If you're having trouble reactivating your account, there could be several reasons for this. Here are a few possible solutions. Check your login details. Make sure you're entering the correct email or phone number associated with your account. Reset your password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgotten Password function to reset it. Contact Facebook support. If you still can't access your account, it may be worth reaching out to Facebook's help center or support team. Remember, these steps will not work if you've permanently deleted your account. Deletion is not reversible. We hope this video has clarified the process of reactivating a deactivated Facebook account. It's a straightforward process, and you can return to your Facebook account whenever you're ready. As long as your account was only deactivated, not deleted, you can come back anytime. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Facebook support. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!